you're gonna hold it and put this part into the hole of your, don't jam it down in, but.
I got it for you.
That might be that woman.
I can't take that seriously.
Hello?
This is so absurd.
Hello?
Some stupid people again.
They have a wing of their party that is so.
Hey y'all, welcome to Ham 141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time here, welcome back. You gotta be a little off. Anyway, my sisters are up from Florida, Georgia, and North Carolina. And every time they're up, they get me in some kind of trouble. I have to put a warning in front of this video. There's some nastiness to this one. I was really surprised. I keep my ears real clean. But, apparently not as clean as I thought I did. In fact, I had just taken a shower and used the Q-tips and all that stuff, but they insisted, hey, go ahead and try this. So I tried it, and yeah. But anyway, as you'll see, you can do this with the candling. There are all sorts of different ways to do it. What it is the heat sucks the stuff right out. These are hollow tubes I think you can get just about any pharmacy. Yeah, I figured, well, we'll go ahead and record it. Why not? I need content, and I've been so busy I haven't been putting out a lot of content. So anyway, viewer discretion is advised. Earwax.
Hello?
Mama, just hang up. It's a computer.
I always say, I would have said Lewis County Fraud Control.
Just don't say anything in the affirmative.
Evidently no one's there.
Lewis County.
Mom, don't wait that long.
Sheriff's
After
Department
2
fraud.
times saying hello, if they don't answer, you're done.
But never say
You do
anything
what you
if they
want.
ask, can you hear me, or anything like that.
Why?
Because they will take that, or you're not on it now, right? They'll take that recording of you saying yes or okay, and then they will dub in them, you giving them permission for something.
You don't film the whole thing, it could get boring after. You kinda gotta
He
hold
cuts
it
it
in
out.
Oh,
He dubs it, puts the best parts.
we'll fast forward it and time lapse and all that good stuff. Now I'm thinking my ears are clear because I use Q-tips.
I
do
use
I.
Q-tips too, honey. Now mine were the cleanest. I just want to put that out there. I can't find anything but makeup.
Am I getting warm?
Makeup Q-tips,
I'll
and
buy
I
her
can't.
all
They're
box.
too skinny.
Do you want me to get some Q-tips for you?
Yeah, you could, if you feel up to it. Tammy, I
Well,
don't
I'm in
like-
there. I may as well get what
You
I
didn't
can.
come to work. You came to enjoy yourself. I don't.
You got your list in your pocket?
Tracy, I told you not to smoke.
Yeah.
Did you put sodas on there?
Some of the ashes might, but they're not cold.
I know I gotta
enough
get
to
those.
know. There's no cold in them.
Sharon, you're over there. Will you write Q-tips and soda on there? Mom said she didn't want any more soda.
She needs some.
No,
She's
Trina
got a
needs
whole
some.
case.
Well, I need some. I mean, there's not enough.
She's got the whole case
No,
of
if I don't-
root beer over
do we
there and
have
the 6
root
of
beer? We
the
don't have
Sprite. That's all she needs.
Okay, I'm gonna get some more
Q-tips
Sprite
and
because
what on
I'll
it?
drink it,
Did Tammy say?
even if we take it with us. But I
Q-tips
mean,
and
leaving
soda.
it. You'll drink it, right?
Well, Sprite? No.
Get root
I only
beer if
drink
you
root
get
beer or
soda.
nothing. Or
Hey, if you haven't already,
You
go ahead
have
and hit
root
that
beer.
like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content.
Right there.
Holy
What
moly.
do you think about clean
That's what
ears?
Q-tips do for you, honey.
And there's
Oh, come on, that was already in there. Unroll that one and it'll be the same.
No.
you can't unroll them, then you waste them.
Oh.
There's nothing in it. You should be able to look through it.
Really? That you?
Can you see through
Honey,
it?
you have
The only
earwax.
thing in there is the
Everybody
plug.
has it.
And
You
that's
have to
the
have
whole
some.
plug. See?
Before you start that,
Do you want to do the other
if
side?
you just
Sure.
take
You
this
don't need to film the other
ponytail,
side, right?
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's not as much as what the other ear had.
Still nasty.
But you are supposed to have a certain amount in your ears anyway.
Hey, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. We appreciate you.